Student, today we will discuss exercise 11.4 that is based on volume. We know that volume is amount of space occupied by the three-dimensional object. So there are some formulas. The volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Volume of cube is A cube. Volume of cylinder, that is pi r square H. And if volume and base area is given, then height is equal to volume upon base area. You will write these formulas. So question first. In which situation will you find the surface area and in which situation volume? The first part is to find how much it can hold. This is especially for cylindrical tank. So to find how much it can hold, so we should calculate volume. Now in second part, number of cement bag required to plaster it. So we have to find out surface area. In part C, to find the number of smaller tank that can be filled with water from it, that is volume. Now in second part, two cylinders are given, A and B. Their diameter and height are given. So without calculation, first you have to find out which cylinder has greater volume. Now in first cylinder, the diameter is 7. In second, that is 14, double of A. In first cylinder, height is 14, and in second, the height is 7. So the height is double of first, but in case of diameter, the diameter of B is double of A. So we have the formula for volume, that is pi r square H. Here is r square. First the radius is greater, then in formula there is a r square that make the volume more greater. Fine. So in the volume of cylinder B is greater. Now verify it by solution. So cylinder A, diameter is given, height is given. You can find out volume, that is 539. Now TSA of this cylinder is 2 pi r H plus r, that is 385. For cylinder B, the radius is given, H is given, volume is 1078, and total surface area 2 pi r H plus r, that is 616. The volume of cylinder B is greater than of A. Also the surface area is greater than TSA of cylinder A. So we can say that the cylinder have greater volume, have greater surface area. So cylinder B has greater volume and also has greater surface area.